Hey, what's up guys? Here are 5 features I like with Clipchamp. Jump in and I'm going to show it to you. First up guys, if you don't have Clipchamp or if it's new to you, you go ahead to your search menu here and type in Clipchamp. Okay, if you don't have that one, it will ask you to install it via Microsoft Store. Now, if you do not know Clipchamp, it's a video editor of Microsoft. It basically kind of replaced the Movie Maker way back in my college days that I used to edit videos. So, very cool that we have this one here. Now, the first thing is you need to have an account with Microsoft, right? So, I'm just going to go ahead and sign me up. Close. The first one that I like with Microsoft Clipchamp is it's free. Now, given that it's free, there's a premium version. So, if you go to your upper right corner here, you can see upgrade. So let's try to see what's the difference of something you pay for and something that you don't pay for, okay? So jump into the free plan, click that one, and it will direct you to the website. It will show you the difference. You can see for beginners and for everyday editors, right? The number one thing I can see here is the 4K UHD export resolution, which is very big if you are doing more of the video editing professionally or you're a corporate. This is one of the things you need to look for because very high definition. We are moving into that area already. But don't forget that this 1080p HD is still great. Okay? I still upload YouTube videos with 1080p. Most of the videos being uploaded with Facebook Reels and at the same time TikTok, there is still 1080p. At the same time, you can do much of everything. Now, go back to the editor and let's start the other features. So, the second thing is text-to-speech. It's one of the things that I really like with this one. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is like, I have this video right here about deco, right? I'll go ahead and jump into create here. Then you have this text-to-speech, right? So I click on text-to-speech. I don't want to say anything there. I'll just go to we just go ahead and try ChatGPT. So I'll go ahead and ChatGPT here. Okay, I can just do this one, right? I'll just go ahead and copy, Control C. I'll just stop this because we don't need that. Then, if this was supposed to be my script, I'll just go here. Then you can see it there. I can preview.
The TP-Link Deco M5 is a mesh Wi-Fi system designed to deliver a seamless wireless internet experience.
Wow! If I don't like the lady Ava, it says Ava. I'll just go for Brian. I'll just go Brian.
The TP-Link Deco M5 is a mesh Wi-Fi system designed to deliver a seamless wireless internet experience across a large area,
right? Very
making
cool.
it an ideal choice.
So I can stop that one and save this one. Once I save that one, I can put it here and like, anyway, you got the concept here. You can listen to this audio.
Wi-Fi system designed to deliver a seamless wireless internet experience.
Cool, right? The third thing that I like is the text, right? You can go here, then there are pre-made texts that you can use right away. So, one of the things, let's try to see funky or bouncing. Okay, this is already preset, so I'll just go ahead and add this, and then you can see it here. So, I'll just go ahead and edit this one. You try to see bounce. Yeah, we can use this one. We can also use this one. So that you can see, as easy as that. I'll just go ahead and edit this one. Your text, T-Pro, Deco, M5. Okay, so you can do it like that. Okay, you see that one? So I'll just go ahead and scroll this one there so that we can bounce this next one. And let's just go ahead and bouncing title. Features Wi-Fi. Let's try to see, okay? So just showing you up here. See? So I'll just go ahead and edit this one. It just goes ahead and bounce and you can resize everything, right? So if you want to put it here, make it bounce and make it like that, it's as simple and easy to use it. Whoa! The next one is transitions. There are built-in cool transitions here. So the transitions is from one footage to another. Okay, so I want to put a transition here, guys. So it just goes like that. I'll just go to transition, and there are free transitions that I can use. And one of the things I really like is this liquid lick. So I'll just go here and drag and drop. And you can see like, all right, so we're going to remove every setting that was set before so that we can configure. See? It's smooth. It's smooth. You didn't even like. So that we can configure. Oh man. And then you can actually like change this one if you want. You like to do this split, like cinematic split. This is like. Yeah. Now the fifth one is that you can record your screen. Now I see a lot of there that makes you pay for you to record and edit videos. Now this one, it has it all. All you need to do is like learn how to use it, right? So you go to your record, create, and then you can see here a screen record in camera, screen, audio. So we want to add a video here using our camera, right? Like what I'm doing sometimes, I'm recording my screen with the camera, right? So I'm just going to go ahead and screen in camera. Then you can see the screen right here, right? You can, the camera right there, and you can choose which audio you're getting, those input, and which camera you're going to use, right? So I'm just go ahead and record. Okay, and then I'm going to record this one. This one, entire screen. Then I'm going to record the entire screen. Then you can see it here. So everything that I'm going to do here is being recorded. So I'm doing a tutorial like what I do in some of my videos. So this is some of the image that I created as a sample. Then let's go ahead and stop sharing. I'll just go ahead and stop here. Then it is playing right away. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to save and edit this one. Then when I save and edit this one, loading items for your video. So wait up. Here you can see it here, both of them. So basically there are two separate video files, the screen and the camera, which I really like. Okay, now while this is preparing on my screen, the audio, the footage that we got from the screen recording, we can go to record and create, and the same applies for your camera here. If you want to do camera, it's going to record only your camera. If you want to have your screen, it's going to do your screen, right? So that's the concept. I'm going to go back to that media. I think it's, there you go. We have this one and this one. So the very good thing about this one is that you have a separate video file for each. We have the camera, then we have that screen. If you want to separate both of this one, we go right click and then ungroup, then we should be able to move this one. So you can move them, but of course they will not be synchronized. But if you want to remove the camera, then it would be good. So I'm just going to go Control Z, Control Z, Control Z. There you go. You can see it here. Boom, boom. All right. I won't take you long for this video. At least I have shown you what is Clipchamp, what you can do with Clipchamp if you're a beginner, and of course the 5 features that I like with it. So if you're a beginner, big, useful video editor here that you can use, all right? So thank you for watching this video, guys. I hope you have learned something, and if you are not yet subscribed in my YouTube channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and of course, come back in my next video.